Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a recipe for you, and this is my chocolate chip banana bread recipe. I know everybody has their own recipe, but I promise you guys this is the best recipe. So if you are ready, let's get started. So to get started, in this bowl I'm adding 1 stick of room temperature butter, and we are going to go ahead and blend it for about a minute. After mixing our butter for a minute, we are going to go ahead and add a ½ cup of brown sugar and continue mixing. And the next ingredient that I'm adding is going to be the other ½ cup of granulated white sugar, and I continued mixing. And after mixing for another minute, I went ahead and added in my 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I continued mixing. And then we are going to go ahead and add in our 3 large eggs, and you want to add them slowly, one at a time. After adding in all your eggs, you want to go ahead and continue mixing for a little bit. And the next ingredients we're adding is our bananas. These are 3 ripe bananas, and we continue blending everything until they look smooth. Now I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and I continue mixing. So the next thing that we're adding is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of banana extract, and we continue mixing. So after that, I went ahead and added 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and we continue sifting. After sifting, you want to go ahead and blend everything together. So you want to blend about 2 minutes, and then after that, you want to go ahead and move on to mixing everything with a spatula. So after mixing with a spatula, you want to go ahead and add in your semi-sweet chocolate chip, and this is about 1 cup, and I left a little bit for the top part. And we went ahead and continued mixing everything. So after mixing for a while, now that we are ready to bake our banana bread cake. So over here, this is my pan. I already made sure that I sprayed it with butter and also some flour, and I'm just making sure that everything is well fitted. And right now we are adding some chocolate chip. So after adding our chocolate chip, we are going to go ahead and get ready to bake it for an hour at 350 Fahrenheit. So you want to make sure that you want to check it, at basically 15 minutes or 40 minutes to make sure that it's cooking right. And if you need more time, 1 hour is enough for this cake. And this is how it looks like, guys. I just want to say thank you for those who are watching, for subscribing, and thank you guys for being patient. Of course, guys, I was not feeling good, and I hope that you guys can bear with me. I had the C word, but yeah, I just want to say thank you for being patient and for watching this channel, for subscribing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because it was so good, guys. I promise you will not regret it if you try the recipe, and I will see you guys next time when I cook. Bye.